Hi, here's a short introduction to the readings for Tuesday. On Tuesday, there are two things that we want you to look at in particular, and one optional item. The two things are a chapter by Gus Speth and a TED Talk. Both of these items deal with the question of the relationship between income on the one hand, or wealth, and happiness or well-being or life satisfaction on the other hand. This is really an important question for our class because if people are going to create a sustainable society, then we're going to need to figure out how to create or help promote lives that are meaningful and satisfying and rich, and in which people feel like they're doing well. So do the reading and watch the TED Talk, and come to class ready to examine and explore how we might create situations that promote health and well-being in the context of various kinds of income, and think about how wealth and income interact with each other to produce outcomes related to happiness. Here are some questions to consider. What's the relationship between gross domestic product of a nation and the national well-being? What's the relationship between wealth and happiness in a general sense? It's starting to rain here on us, or on me. As you did the reading and you looked at the video, did you find anything surprising? Were there any nations in there in terms of the relationships that stuck out to you? What might we do differently in the United States with respect to these large questions? And with respect to the two optional issues, there's a Chapter 7, also by Gus Speth. It's attached in the PDF with Chapter 6. And that chapter deals with how much is enough, how much consumption, how many things do we need to buy all the time in order for us to live happy, satisfying lives? Is there a point at which we've reached a high level of satisfaction and we don't need anything more? And the second item is Chapter 1 from the book Plan B, and that deals with massive market failure, the kind of massive market failure that we had a decade ago. So these larger the readings for today all deal with the relationship between income or wealth on the one hand and happiness on the other, and it's an important set of questions. We'll look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.
Who are you talking to?
My class.
See you then. There's a TED Ed video about this called "Will winning the lottery make you happy?" It's really interesting.
Will winning the lottery make you happy?
Yes, it's about wealth and happiness.
Oh, good. Will winning the lottery make you happy from TED? Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you Tuesday.